Okay. Pancakes for the family, flour, eggs, milk. Perfect. I am a great cook. Maybe I should open a restaurant.
Dad, is breakfast ready? I am so hungry. I haven't eaten since last night.
Almost ready, buddy. Just a second.
What is that noise?
What noise?
That noise. Listen. Glug, glug, glug.
That is just the washing machine. I put in a big load today. All the towels, all the bed sheets, all your soccer uniforms.
Dad, that sounds wrong.
It's fine, Mike. I am the dad. I know about washing machines.
Dad?
Okay, that is a little bit of water, no problem. I will fix it in 1 minute. Okay, let me see. The machine is shaking. The floor is wet. There is water coming from behind the machine. I need to pull it out from the wall.
No! No, no, no! Anna! Anna, help!
David, what are you... David? What did you do?
I was fixing it!
This is not fixed, David. This is the opposite of fixed.
I know that now!
Wow, this is amazing. This is a disaster, Mike. Don't worry, Dad. I have towels. Ugh. Mike, that's not going to... Mike, stop!
Okay, that did not work. New plan.
Mike, don't use the... The carpet, Mike.
Oh no.
I told you.
You did not tell me about the carpet specifically.
Henry, no! Henry! Splash!
David, turn off the water.
I'm trying!
Turn off the water. The main valve under the sink.
Where is the main valve?
Under the sink.
I did it!
Yes, great. Hello? Yes, I need an emergency plumber. How soon can you come? 45 minutes? Can you run?
Barnaby, no!
Those were for breakfast.
How bad is it? The dog is swimming in my kitchen. My husband is holding a plate of muddy pancakes. My baby is floating toward the hallway. Please hurry.
Goo goo.
What happened here? I pulled the machine from the wall and you pulled the hose out? Yes.
Okay. Done.
That's it? That's it. New hose connector. $6. $6.
The towels cost more than that.
Hey guys! Please subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell, and like this video. Thank you!